dear students, welcome back to NPS Official. Welcome back to another helpful video. This video is gonna very helpful for you because in this video I'm gonna cover your present, past, and future tenses in one video. So just by one click you can find all the information about the tenses. So let's start with the first one. We have the present sentences with the simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Here I will write the only one sentence, do. I do, and I will complete all the sentences according to this. So first one we have the present simple means present indefinite. I will simply write it I do, but when it changes into present continuous it will become I am doing. In the perfect it will become I have done. In the perfect continuous with the present reference means present perfect continuous, this sentence will change into I have been doing. I hope you get the concept of present here. If you find any problem, you can ask me in the comment section. Next, we have the past. Past indefinite. This sentence will change into I do into the I did. Present continuous. Here was I am doing. It will change into I was doing. Present perfect we have I have done. Past perfect we have I had done. Past perfect continuous. I have been doing. I had been doing. Are you learning the changes right here? Means here we have the have, and in the past it changes into the had. It was am, and in the past it was. Let us now learn about the future tenses. Future indefinite, it will change into I will do. Future continuous, it will become I will be doing because doing. First form plus ing only occur in continuous and third form in the perfect. From I had done, it will change into the I will have done. Perfect continuous. I had been done. Doing past में और अब future में क्या change हो जाएगा? Future perfect continuous. I will have been doing. I hope you all find this video helpful because I have covered all the tenses in this video within the 3 minutes. Still you have any problem, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe NPS Official. Allah Hafiz students.